Trump's $2,000 tariff rebate hits soon. Don't blow it on coffee. What if that free cash became your first $10,000 by 2026? In this video, I'll show you 4 smart ways to turn your rebate into real wealth. Stay until the end. The 4th one might surprise you. This video is for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice. Do your own research. Results are never guaranteed. Artificial intelligence is the heartbeat of the new economy. In 2023 alone, AI companies added over $4 trillion in market value. If you'd put $2,000 into NVIDIA 5 years ago, you'd have over $25,000 today. AI stocks are the growth engine of this decade. They're backed by trillion-dollar companies and global demand for automation. But remember, high reward comes with high volatility. Some AI stocks can crash 30% in a week. Examples include NVIDIA, Palantir, and the Global X Robotics and AI ETF, ticker symbol BOTZ. These are the companies building the tools of the future, and that's where opportunity lives. Would you hold through short-term dips for long-term growth? Comment your answer below. This is for education only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Not into risk? Great, because cash finally pays again. High-yield savings accounts and treasury bills are now paying over 5% annual interest. That means your $2,000 could grow to about $2,200 in just 2 years with zero stress and zero trading. Not a lot, right? It still beats an average savings account interest rate of about 0.025%. So if you're not into investing, a high-yields savings account should at least be where you're putting your money. These accounts are FDIC insured and give you instant access to your cash. But remember, inflation can eat into your real returns. If you prefer safety over risk, banks like SoFi, Marcus, or Ally are great options to explore. Would you rather take a guaranteed 5% or risk it for a possible 50%? Comment safe or risky below. Again, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Want Warren Buffett level wealth without the stress of day trading? Then you need to know about index funds. They're the simplest, most powerful investing strategy of all time. If you'd invested $2,000 in the S&P 500 5 years ago, it would be worth around $3,300 today. That's compounding at work, slow, steady, and proven. Now imagine that compound interest with continued recurring investments. Index funds like Vanguard's VTI or SPY track the entire market, so you're not betting on one company, you're betting on the US economy. It's not flashy, but it works. As Warren Buffett says, compound interest is your silent partner. It doesn't brag, it just builds. Would you rather get rich fast or rich for sure? Let me know in the comments. Crypto cycles are back. Bitcoin's 2024 halving could spark the next bull run, and 2026 might be the payoff year. If history repeats, your $2,000 could multiply several times over. Now this might be where your $2,000 initial investment has the highest return. But let's be real, crypto is high risk, high reward. Massive upside, yes, but also massive volatility. Focus on proven assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Avoid hype coins and always store your crypto in a secure wallet, not just an exchange. Would you invest your rebate into crypto or play it safe with index funds? Now here's the part most people miss. You don't have to pick just one. Why not mix all 4 strategies? Here's a balanced plan for your $2,000. 500 into AI stocks for growth, 500 into high-yield savings for safety, 500 into index funds for long-term stability, and 500 into crypto for speculation. Diversification spreads risk and reward. It lets you grow wealth without panic selling when markets swing. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research. So, Trump's $2,000 rebate could be your launchpad for financial freedom. Don't waste it on impulse buys or short-term pleasures. Here's your recap. AI stocks for growth, high-yield savings for safety, index funds for steady wealth, crypto for high potential, and a hybrid plan for balance. Don't just spend Trump's rebate, build with it. This could be your opportunity to plant the seed for wealth. Which strategy fits you best? Comment below, hit like, and subscribe to Finance Vault AI for more data-driven wealth insights.